Hello, my sweet learners. Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm your host and host. Welcome you all in Learnsmart's English tutorial. And today we will learn about capital letters and small letters while writing. So come, let's begin. As you all know that there are 26 alphabets in English language and there are two ways of writing these alphabets, capital letters and small letters. Now look at these alphabets and sing along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Learners, these alphabets are known as capital letters. Now, look at these alphabets again and sing along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And these alphabets are known as small letters. Now learners, tell me that where we use these capital letters in writing? No idea? Okay, I'll explain it. When we use capital letters at the start of a sentence, and when we want to name a person, a place, or a thing. So learners, we use capital letters at the start of a sentence and when we need to name a person, thing, or place with following small letters. And for understand it better, look at the picture on your screen first and then look at this sentence the picture follows. I am a girl. Learners, did you notice? The first letter of this sentence is capital and the rest are small. In this sentence, I is the capital letter. Now look at the another picture on your screen and look at this sentence it follows. She is so intelligent and her name is Devika. Learners, in this sentence, she is the first word and the S is the capital letter because the sentence starts from she. That is why S is the capital letter. But wait a minute. There is one more capital letter in this sentence. Why so? Because Devika is a name of a girl or a person. And remember, we learned that capital letters are used at the start of a sentence and when we need to name a person, place, or thing. And see, Devika is a name of a person. That is why the D in the name of Devika is a capital letter. Now look at the picture on your screen and this sentence it follows. You are so powerful. In this sentence, Y should be capital because this sentence starts with the letter Y. My friend baked a cake for me. In this sentence, M should be capital. And the reason behind it, you already know. I live in Delhi. In this sentence, I should be capital. And there is a name of a place, Delhi. That also should be capital because it's a name of a place. So learners, always remember that there are 26 alphabets in English language and there are two ways to write in English: capital letters and small letters. And we use capital letters at the start of a sentence and when we need to name a person, thing, or a place. So that's all for today. And I hope that you all like this video and learn well about the capital and small letters. Like, comment and share this if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe Learnsmart. And you can follow us on our Facebook page, Instagram account and our Telegram account via the links provided in the description box below. And now learners, it's time to leave and we will meet again in the next video with another smart topic.